Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Garage. In this episode, I'm going to show you an update of the restoration project of my vintage MGC Auto-9. Here are the printout for the major parts of the front end, printed using low quality profile. First, let me describe them with some digital views. The infrastructure of the front end is built with three parts: the top, the middle, and the bottom. They are to be held together by screws. This picture shows the heatsink parts. They are separated into three pieces. Here I show you the left and the front part. They are held together by super glue. Also notice that the top rail and the front side, they are two parts. This picture shows the outlook after they stick together, and this picture shows the final outlook together with the rear sight. Now let's check the pinout. One of the most important reason for separating the front end into multiple parts is because of easy polishing. And I wish to maximize the number of surface that can be sent on the sandpaper directly placing on the table. So let's take a look to the top part. These two holes on the top is used to correctly locate the top rail, while the two holes in the bottom is used to connect to the middle part. And this is the middle part, already glued with two heatsink parts. Actually, I prefer to glue them after make sure that the top, middle, and the bottom part are correctly connected. And this is the bottom part. These holes are used to lock the bottom part to the middle part. Okay, let me build them. Okay, I used two 8mm self-tapping screw to lock the middle and the top part together. These screws are commonly used in Tamiya RC model. Let me show you. Now let me install the bottom part. I used two 12mm socket screws to secure the bottom part to the middle, and to use socket screw because they are visible from outside. Let's do it. Now let's attach the custom front end into the replica. Please notice that I have already removed the stock front end and also the front handle bar. And please also notice that I have cut the connection part in here that I mentioned in the previous video. I'm going to install the custom front end through the barrel, sliding into it, and lock it with this collar, also with this pin through this hole and this hole. Let's do it. I found that I have some wrong measurement on the position of this hole, and therefore I cannot insert the pin into it. So this is the latest progress I made for this project. I will make some adjustment, also continue the works for the rear side. So far, it looks not bad. That's the end of this episode. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.